Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals in 1 week. Start by creating a realistic study schedule for your final exams. Allocate specific time blocks for each subject, ensuring you cover all essential topics. Prioritize subjects that are more challenging or carry a higher percentage of your overall grade. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and past assignments to ensure you have everything you need before you begin. This structured approach will maximize your efficiency and reduce stress during this crucial week. To truly absorb information, engage in active learning. Instead of passively rereading, use techniques like flashcards or self-quizzing to test your memory. Work through past exam papers or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. Explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner can significantly deepen your understanding and highlight areas needing more attention. Your study environment significantly impacts your focus. Choose a quiet, well-lit space free from distractions like social media. Implement the Pomodoro technique, studying for 25 to 50 minutes and then taking a 5 to 10-minute break. Remember to prioritize your well-being, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and maintain a balanced diet. These habits are crucial for sustained concentration and memory retention. As the exam day approaches, focus on reviewing key summaries and revisiting any topics you found particularly challenging. Resist the urge to cram entirely new material on the final day, as this can lead to burnout and confusion. Instead, use the last 24 hours for light review and mental preparation. Visualize yourself successfully completing the exam and practice deep breathing to manage any pre-exam anxiety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.